Hey everyone, photographer and filmmaker TK North here. Continuing on in this Premiere Pro series, this video will be looking at working with audio. Now, audio is something that can vastly improve the quality of any video and something that's often overlooked when you first start doing video editing. It can also be quite complicated, but Premiere Pro makes it really simple and really easy to quickly improve the quality of any audio. So let's open up Premiere Pro and look at some of those basic steps to really start improving your audio.
With Premiere Pro open and some audio tracks already on the timeline, let's start with a quick and easy way to adjust the volume of any audio clip by using the pen tool and adding keyframe marks on your timeline. To do this, make sure you have Show Audio Keyframes enabled and increase the height of the audio track so you can see exactly what you're doing on the audio clips. Then select the pen tool. To add a new keyframe mark, click the thin white line on your audio clip. Simply drag the keyframe up to make the sound louder or drag it down to make it quieter. You can drag the keyframe left or right to apply the setting earlier or later on the track. To delete a keyframe, select it and press backspace on Windows or delete on Mac. You can add as many keyframes as you like in this way. And again, remember to go back to the selection tool when you have finished working with these keyframes. You can also adjust and see these keyframes that you've created on the timeline by selecting the audio clip and going up to the source monitor and effect controls. Here you also have more options with your audio. You can see the keyframes I've just added, and you can also adjust the levels here on these keyframes or add more if you wish. Another option when working with audio is to use the Essential Sound panel to improve the overall quality of your audio. For this, we're going to switch to the audio workspace, so you can change that by clicking up the top here or going to Window Workspaces Audio. The audio workspace includes the Essential Sound panel that I'm going to be working with. In the timeline panel, select a clip you would like to work on the Essential Sound panel. In the Essential Sound panel, choose the type of audio you're working on, such as dialogue or music. You can then enable each of these options in the Essential Sound panel to improve the sound quality. Here you can change things like the loudness. It will automatically set the volume to an industry standard level for dialogue. Clarity improves the impact of speech. EQ adds volume to particular tones to make speech sound more audible, and enhanced speech applies subtle adjustments to improve sound clarity. Some options in the Essential Sound panel do include additional settings. The best way to find out what they do is to listen to the sound change and experiment as you go. You can then switch back to the editing workspace whenever you've finished working on your soundtrack. Lastly, once you're happy with the audio levels, you can also add some simple effects. Firstly, switch to the effects workspace, have the source monitor open on effects controls, and then come over to the effects panel. Rather than manually adjusting the levels to create a fade or a build in your music tracks, you can also use these effects to quickly do this. To add a fade out at the end of an audio clip, simply come over to the effects panel, search exponential fade, find that effect and drag it over to the end of your audio clip. This will automatically fade out while keeping the rest of the audio track at its normal level. In the exact same way, you can use the constant gain effect at the start of a clip to gradually build the volume of your audio track. Of course, Premiere Pro has so many other audio effects that you can use and play around with as well.
So there you have some of the basics of working with audio inside Premiere Pro. Again, depending on your skill level, Premiere Pro has endless options for working with audio. So if you want to dive in a little bit more, there's plenty of options to enhance your audio even further, but those basics will definitely get you started. I'm TK North. Thanks so much for watching.